Good morning. I just wanted to come down to this little unit on Bird Drive and take some video for you so we could really show you what the area looks like. So we're looking at the entrance to the unit right there. This is looking to the south. Rest of the building down the street. You'll see the construction now over to the right as I pan around. What's good is that you can see the building height. These are 2-story buildings that are being constructed. So there'll be 4 buildings, I believe, total. Obviously, that's not the finished product. This is looking to the north. Smaller homes next door, and the driveway into the back side of the complex and back to the front door. Okay, so here's a little walkthrough. Here is the entryway, good sized entryway, nice light, stairway to the upstairs. To the right, there is a half bath and some storage, actually 3/4 bath. Around to the door and access this way to the little office, which I'll show you in a sec, and the garage. So now we're back in the little office. It's quite a small room, ground floor, windows looking out to kind of the rest of the driveway to the rest of the back of the complex. Alcove, and this leads to the garage, single car, heated garage, finished with a floor drain. So heading upstairs, nice lighting or light coming in from the window that way. 2 shorter staircases up to the main floor, which holds the kitchen. Nice cabinetry, large vent over the range, gas range, microwave, some underlighting on the counters, panels, refrigerator, and sink is in the island along with the dishwasher. And stairs to the next level and the rest of the living space. So we have a gas fireplace here, pretty nice high ceilings in the living room with a fan. I'll show you the views in just a second, but just so you can get oriented to the space. Really open concept. It's not huge, but certainly adequate space. There's a little nook over on this side by the window. Looks like they have a small desk located there. And then here is the small patio going out, or deck. And it's going to be a little noisy, but let me show you this view. So it's quite small. They do have 2 chairs. Certainly ample room to sit out. And right now it's really noisy. Got some trees, gorgeous colors. Looking directly across the street, so this is to the west where the new construction's happening. So there are the buildings. You're still gonna have all these mountain views above of the cliffs of Baldy. So another building will go behind these trucks, and panning a little bit further to the west, northwest. Also on this main level is a large bedroom, queen size bed, nice big windows. That's back to the living room. This one's pretty private as far as views go. To the north, big trees, conifers. And then to the east, some aspens. And sorry, I should have pulled the blinds up here, but you can see through the blinds to the other buildings. This is ensuite, so there is full bath, double vanities, nice tile flooring, good light again, really nice windows in this complex, and a shower. Hope I'm not making you too dizzy, and some good storage here in the bath as well. Getting up the second flight of stairs to the third level now. And this is into the master suite. Nice sized bedroom. Looks like a king size bed. Double shutters. You will see the buildings across the street, but also nice mountain views. And this has a little raised deck as well. This deck is slightly larger, I think, than the downstairs. So they have one small chair here. You could get away with maybe a tiny corner table and 2 small chairs. Kind of a nice little sunny deck, especially late afternoon. Here's more of the view from that master bedroom large window. So this is looking south out that window. And then more to the west. Your bathroom. Good size, double vanities. Nice soaking tub with jets. It's a nice size. It's not enormous, but it's big enough. And then a glass enclosed shower and lavatory. And then the closet is just immediately out here to our right. Good sized closet, walk in, nice built-in shelving. Plenty of space. Okay, to give you a little bit better look at the landscaping. So very low maintenance here. You're not responsible for any of the upkeep or landscaping. All handled by the association. Nice plantings. Very easy to maintain anyway, but not by you. This is the driveway that goes back to access the garage. Just wanted to give you a brief overview. So these are Deer Run townhouses. So really nice, yeah, nicely done plantings. And here is your garage. Right here. Other garages down below, other units. Snow melt system in place here. I will find out about the snow, if there is any snow plowing needed. There is a little path at the back of the complex also that takes you, you could hop on the bike path right up there if you didn't want to go in the street, just to a little open space toward town, which is quite, several blocks away, 4 or 5 or 6 blocks away. But this is just open space back in this area. Some of these units have bigger patios. Unfortunately, yours does not, or the one you're looking at. There's the bike path up there.